All right, guys, we are back up here at Ropali, up here in Angeles City. I was up here the other day and quick did a little run around the outside and show you some of the motorbikes and stuff they have here. But I'm back up here today and we're gonna go over some of the bikes, give you some of the prices of the bikes and stuff. It's located right up here in Angeles City, right near the Nepo, what is it, the Nepo Mall. But anyways, I know you guys like checking out motorcycles here and getting prices on it, so that's what we're going to do this morning. All right, here's their showroom. Pretty nice showroom. You know, they got vests here. All the helmets are for sale. The leather pouches, other supplies that you might want or need. Goggles. Looks like they have exhaust systems down there. Side bags, saddle bags. But this is their showroom. Pretty nice showroom here. Just kind of showing you some of the accessories they have. Nice gloves. Yeah, they're really nice gloves. 2,700 pesos for those gloves. Jackets. This is their showroom. It's really nice. It's like really nice showroom here. This is electric. I'll get you more information on that. I just want to kind of pan around here and show you this, you know, show you what they have here. Let me step out here, get more light. These guys here, they're electric too. Like I said, I'll get you information real soon. I got a Norton here. Nice Norton. Royal Enfield. 500cc, and they do all their service here. Everything is done here, all their servicing on their bikes. But yeah, let's get the salesman now, and guess we'll go outside and get you some of the information on what they're selling here. All right, so if you're kind of wondering where this place is, right straight ahead down there is Nepo Mall. Across the street here is like a eating place, multiple eating places down through here. Got a Starbucks right here on the corner, and Angeles City Electric Corporation is straight ahead there. So that kind of gives you an idea where the place is located. Like I said, it's right up here in Angeles City. Look for the big blue building, and the Nepo Market is, or Nepo Mall is right down in that area. But it kind of gives you the location where it's at. But yes, here it is, Ropali Classics. And sales guy's in there right now. He's getting prices and stuff, so I can give you guys, you know, prices, and then kind of give you a rundown of what all the bike is, and what its features are, and of course what the CCs are on them. All right, so this is what? Sniper 150.
Sniper 150 Yamaha.
Yamaha. And what's the price on that?
This one is 103,000.
103,000 pesos.
Yes.
Now you give a better deal if somebody comes in with cash.
Yes.
Yeah, you'll get a better deal with cash. What kind of deal with cash? You'd have to talk, I guess, to the boss about that.
This one, sir, we also have the same price with the Yamaha. This one comes with 1 year LTO registration.
Okay.
Same price.
So it's 1 year registration. Yes, and what about insurance? Does it come with the insurance for 1 year?
TPL only. TPL, third
for 1 year, and then after that, the owner's responsible for the next. Yeah. So there it is. The
TPL, third party liability.
150 Sniper. This here is what? Duke?
KTM Duke.
KTM Duke. What is that? 390.
390cc.
390cc.
2015 model.
2015. And what's the price on that?
229,000.
229.
Before it's 275,000.
And you came down.
Yes.
And it's
comes with the 3 years LTO registration.
3 years LTO registration. All right. Honda 250L.
The price of this one is 237,000.
237,000.
Yes.
What year is this?
2018.
2018.
Yes.
Okay.
2018. Comes with a 1-year LTO registration.
1-year LTO registration.
Yes.
All right. And then this guy here, electric.
This one is electric trike, 1,000 watts. The price of this electric is 164,000.
164,000 pesos. And what about warranty and
1-year warranty comes with a 1-year LTO registration.
1-year LTO registration. And I know you have these inside. We're going to go inside and get your prices and stuff on these guys. And they have these lights inside also. We'll go inside where it's cooler, get your prices on these. Then you have the Kymco 150. And look, what's the price on this?
This one is 170,000.
170,000 pesos. And Kymco. Is that Kymco is what, China?
From Taiwan.
Made in Taiwan.
Yeah, okay.
And it's a, how many cc's?
150.
150 cc. So there's the price on these. Like I said, we'll step inside, check out some of the other bikes. All right, now we have the Lambretta. And where's Lambretta from? Like, where they manufacture them?
China, sir, but the company, Italy.
They're manufactured in China, but the company is Italy. And what does something like this run? Price-wise?
This one's 255,000.
255,000. How many cc's?
169.
169.
V200 special.
V200 special. Now, this one and that one are the same? The
same.
white and black are the same. So, and what is there any special features on this? ABS braking or?
Yes, ABS.
ABS.
Scooter type.
Gasoline.
Gasoline. Yes.
And these are the same also, right?
Yes.
The orange and then the gray. So I guess it's a matter of personal choice.
Yes. This one, sir, is different.
Okay.
Pirelli edition.
Hang on, let me get in the light here. There we go, better light. Now what's the difference between this one and the others?
This one's a Pirelli edition. The tire is Pirelli, the emblems, color red. And also
the trimming. Right.
Also same.
And price-wise?
275.
275,000 pesos. Okay. So I guess it's just a matter of preference and color and what you want. Well, and then we have the Royal Enfield. Now, well, you can see that light-wise. 500cc classic, and this is what, a 2015. What year is this bike?
2015 model.
2015 model, but brand new. Now he can order in, you know, newer model bikes, but this is a 2015, brand new, never ridden. And what's the price on this?
349,000.
349,000 pesos. Gasoline. You can hop on the highway with this. You can ride this down the highway. But yeah, very nice bike. Royal. And where are these bikes coming from? This bike is
from India.
India. Royal Enfield is an Indian-made motorbike?
Yes.
Okay.
A long time ago.
Okay.
UK.
The UK.
One of the oldest.
So this was originally a UK motorbike when India took it over?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. That's what he's saying. I don't know. These guys would know. But yeah, really nice. That's a sharp-looking bike. And over here, we have a Norton. Now, well, we can see that Norton there. What size? What cc?
1,000.
It's a 1,000 cc Norton. Nice bike. And what does this run?
A UK.
This is a UK bike.
Yes.
And how many pesos for that?
The price of 1,760,000.
1,760,000 pesos.
Yeah.
That's super nice. Look at the paint. Nice looking paint on that front there. And this is, what year is this here?
Sorry?
What year bike?
This was 2017.
2017. But you could also order a brand new one, correct?
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And they can order in brand new ones, but this is what they have on their showroom floor. And yes, that's a nice, very nice bike. Norton. Then we have this guy here. I like this. It's electric. And what is the name of it?
Velocifero.
Velocifero. And where are they from?
Italy.
Italy. 100% Italy bike.
Yes.
Electric. And what's the price on them?
This one's 148,000.
148,000. Now how fast does that thing go?
The max speed is 30 kilometers.
Max speed 30 kilometers. And I take it this here is all just for show, right? Or is that your battery and everything in there? Here.
Yes.
Your battery and all that's in there?
Yes. Battery.
Okay, battery's in there. And it looks like it's chain driven. Yeah, chain driven, but it's electric. I think they're pretty neat looking. Reminds me of the old Hummer I had. And this one here is, let me see if I can get a better shot here. Here you go. And what are these bikes?
Kymco.
Kymco.
Exciting 400.
400. Now, if you guys ever watch, I think it's on the Travel Channel or Discovery Channel, Jamie Dempsey, blonde-haired girl, tattooed all up, rides all over Southeast Asia on motorbikes. She came to not this Ropali, but a different Ropali here in the Philippines, and she rode one of these. I think it was yellow and black. Yeah, yellow and black. 400cc. This is an automatic gas. And what's the price on these?
344,000.
344,000.
Comes with the 3 years LTO registration.
3 years LTO registration. ABS brakes on these, right?
ABS.
Yeah. But yeah, it's a 400 and it's an automatic. I kind of.
With the GB backs, 45 liters.
Let me see if I can get a better shot here. Nice big wide seat. I mean, that's nice. Luggage rack. Put a luggage rack on the back. Yeah, that's nice. And this is same bike, same manufacturer, but it's a what?
This was top of the line of the Kymco AK Special Edition. 550cc.
550cc.
The price is 604,000.
604,000. That's top of the line. That's everything.
Scooter of the year.
Scooter of the year. That's really nice. I like that. I like that color. I mean, you can see the seat is
Keyless.
keyless, and the seat's nice. I mean, you can tell that's a comfortable seat there. Let me see if I can go around here and show you a different angle here, what it looks like. Here's a different angle. There's the front end there. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. Top of the line. Kymco. And then the X Max. This is the X Max right here. And how much is this guy?
257,000.
257,000. 300cc.
It's Max Yamaha.
ABS. And these are what, all 2018s?
Yes.
2018s. But I like that color.
Where?
Also keyless.
And it's
Yes.
keyless, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Have a
And-
big wide.
Yeah, big wide seat on them. They're nice.
The back.
And did I get the likes? Yeah. No, we didn't get the likes. These are the likes, right?
Yeah.
L-I-K-E.
Like
Kymco
me.
Light.
And what are the prices on these?
This one's Nudo. 123,000.
123,000 pesos. And that's how many cc's?
150 cc.
150 cc.
2019.
2019, so a 2019. Brand new.
Brand new.
Right off the manufacturer's floor. And this is another one, right? And what's the difference between that one and this one?
This one's non-noodle.
Non-noodle.
That's the only difference. This
And
one's regular.
Not noodle. In other words, noodle is what?
For the GPS, you can connect your...
Oh, okay. So basically, this one here has more bells and whistles. You connect your cell phone, has a port for everything to put your cell phone on. So this is the top of the line. And then you can jump down to this one. And how much is this one?
This one's 103.
103,000 pesos.
Non-noodle, regular.
Non-noodle, regular. And
All the same
cc's?
CC, 150.
Okay, 150. And are they all ABS braking, or is it just certain ones? Now see, I see this here.
Racing King.
Yeah, Racing King. Now what's
180 cc.
180 cc's, and how much is that?
The price is 160,000.
160,000 for that. So, oh yeah, there it is. We got one more. Let me show you this guy here. We'll come over here. We can get a better view of it. This guy here. He's electric.
Yes.
And
electric scooter. Velocifero.
What is it?
Velocifero.
Velocifero. And where this made?
Italy.
Italy. And how much is something like that?
This one's 43,000.
43,000. Does it come with a 1-year registration?
This one has no...
It's no registration. But you can ride it on the road here. Nobody's going to care.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it. And this is electric. What's the max speed?
Max speed is 25.
25 kilometers. So there it is. That's more.
For the one full charge is 25 kilometers distance.
And electric bike, something like this, how many hours or how long will that charge last? How many hours, you know?
Yeah, 4 hours.
4 hours.
4 to 6 hours.
4 to 6 hours. So there it is. So anyways, like I said, I wanted to come up here, show you some of these bikes, get you some prices on them. If I had the money, I'd go with this one right here. That's just nice. And it looks like a comfortable ride.
And also we finance our...
So you do finance here also?
The client has an option.
Okay.
Cash or installment.
Okay. So there it is. They do finance here. Cash. You're always going to get a better deal with cash. That's how it works. But yeah, I figured I'd get up here. You know, people were asking about it, and I figured I'd do a, you know, come up here, get you guys prices, show you some more of the bikes and different options they have. But here it is, Ropali, right up here in Angeles City. If you're in this area and you're interested in one of these bikes, come on up here, check them out. Very friendly staff, good people. And I guess if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe, like, share, dislike, leave the comments below. Let me know what you think about these bikes. And until next time.